How to fix Snapchat error code SS07. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix SS07 error code on Snapchat and what it actually means. Well, let's understand the error first. The Snapchat error code SS07 or SS07 typically means your device has been banned from logging into Snapchat due to too many accounts associated with it. To fix this, try unlocking your account through Snapchat support page. So you can head over to Snapchat support. So head into your browser and search in for Snapchat support and go ahead and proceed to. You can also wait for 48 hours if that doesn't work, if you have submitted a ticket and it's not working. Now, one of the other ways to try and fix is if you see a message within the Snapchat app stating your account is temporarily locked, try the unlocking process described on Snapchat support website as well. You can also try logging in through the web to unlock your account if the app doesn't work as well. If unlocking doesn't work, waiting 48 hours before attempting to log in is another option. Some of the ways to troubleshoot your device is to disable VPN, reinstall the application, check for any updates or restart the device. If all else fails, you may need to create a new Snapchat account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.